Emotional distress in car accident cases. Good afternoon. My name is Neil Burns. I'm an attorney. Along with my partner, Roshan Jain, we represent victims of motor vehicle accidents and other types of personal injury here in Massachusetts. I've been asked to talk today specifically about emotional distress cases. So one thing we tell to our legal malpractice clients is that you can't get emotional distress damages because your lawyer screwed up. But you can get emotional distress damages in a negligence case where in an accident, such as a car accident or any type of accident, premises accident. But we have to look carefully at this. Everyone's stressed out by certain things, and certainly being injured, going to a doctor, and getting mostly better is stressful. There's a lot of work, but usually we reserve emotional distress cases for where there's serious diagnoses like PTSD, post-traumatic stress disorder, or something else. For example, a client gets injured in a car accident, a loved one dies or is seriously injured, and they have a lot of stress from it, and they see a therapist. The therapist is willing to write up a report. That's a typical case where we have emotional distress. If you witness somebody very close to you, like a child getting injured in a motor vehicle accident, that's a typical emotional distress case. If you've had prior emotional injuries such as bulimia or anorexia, and it's under control, and as a result of a car accident, it gets exacerbated, it gets excited, it comes out again. Those are the kind of cases where, with an expert, we can get emotional distress damages. Lots of times people have what they call the eggshell plaintiff. If you have a thin skin or a thin head and you have more stress than someone else, those are great cases for damages, but we need to be able to prove it. You can't just say I was very stressed. You have to go to a doctor. You have to have the doctor say there's some sort of diagnosis. And we've done this many, many times over many, many years. We've worked with therapists, psychologists, psychiatrists, getting reports, and insurance companies are impressed if we present it the proper way, if we could give them the documentation, the medical documentation about the emotional distress. If you or a loved one was injured in a car accident, any type of accident, and as a result there's emotional distress, seeing some type of therapist or your own doctor that gives you medication for the stress, give us a call. It's a free initial consultation. We're aggressive, we're effective, we care about you. We care about our clients. We're going to get you the best possible result. We've been doing this in this building at 6 Beacon Street since 1987. We will represent you. We give you a free initial consultation, so call 617-227-7423. Thank you.